Just because no one else cannot heal or do your inner work for you doesn't mean you need to be alone. We Let It Be X are here with our Android application Health Buddy. I, Amisha, and my friends Rishabh and Tushar decided to build this application by getting affected by the suicidal case which happened in our college last winters. Because of lack of interaction with parents, that guy committed suicide. We need this because there is serious shortage of mental health care access in India. Teenagers are more prone to it because of their shy behavior or lack of openness with parents and peers, and very few of them receives proper treatment.
So we have created a mobile application that has four key modules. The Health Buddy is a chatbot with which a user can share their thoughts and feelings as they would with a friend. It uses sentiment analysis to detect the current mood of the user and respond accordingly. In the question module, we will ask user five basic questions daily, and with the help of their response and data from Azure Face API, we will determine the user's mental state. In the meditation module, we give user daily goal to complete to improve their mental health. In the user profile, we suggest some basic activity to the user to improve their lifestyle. We have used Java to develop a native Android application and used Python to develop backend API. We have also used Azure Cognitive Services to convert image to sentimental data and Azure App Service to deploy our backend API.
Uh, Target audience is every person of every age group who are experiencing issues related to mental health or have some sort of stress. Talking about value proposition is its availability for 24/7 personalized suggestion for therapists or psychiatrists, which are available in our premium services, personalized suggestion for user, meditation therapy, performance tracker, as well as privacy for the user. As we have discussed earlier, the young user of young age group peer to discuss any situation with their peers or their parents. So here we have a buddy for them, which keeps privacy and identity of the user to itself. So anyone can feel free to talk to them. Our go-to market plan is that we can connect to a psychiatrist clinic, yoga and meditation centers, and we can have social marketing as well as awareness activities. We are providing user a software as a service where we have different premium service plans, and we can also show advertisement in our application which are basically related to mental health, like games based on meditation, meditation channels on YouTube, meditation centers, etc.
Happiness can be found even in the darkest of time if only one remembers to turn on the light. So join us and support us in this kind act of ours towards the society. Thank you and have a great day.